Somewhere in our galaxy right now, an estimated 100 million black holes roam through space like cosmic predators. Invisible, silent, and incredibly dangerous. While the odds of one reaching us are astronomically small, let's confront a chilling hypothetical. What if a stellar mass black hole entered our solar system tomorrow? The first terrifying reality is that we wouldn't see it coming. Black holes are, by definition, invisible. They don't emit light, they devour it. Our first indication wouldn't be a blinding flash, but something far more subtle and unnerving. Astronomers would begin to notice distant background stars appearing to shift position, their light subtly bent by an invisible, incredibly massive object drawing nearer. By the time we truly understood what was approaching, it would be far too late to do anything but watch the inevitable unfold. Imagine a stellar mass black hole, one roughly 10 times the mass of our own sun, hurtling into our solar system at 1% the speed of light. That's an astonishing 1860 miles per second. At such speeds, it would cross the vast distance from Pluto's orbit to Earth in a mere 6 months. The outer reaches of our solar system would be the first to feel its gravitational embrace. Pluto and the other dwarf planets would be violently yanked from their established orbits, scattered like leaves in a cosmic hurricane. Within weeks, Neptune, some 4 billion miles from the Sun, would begin to wobble uncontrollably. Its largest moon, Triton, would be ripped away, either spiraling into the black hole itself or flung out into the desolate expanse of interstellar space, becoming a rogue world of ice and rock. As this invisible monster drew closer, its immense gravity would unleash an unimaginable chaos. Unlike the more diffuse gravitational pull of a planet or a star, a black hole's gravity is so incredibly concentrated that it generates extreme tidal forces. Objects aren't just pulled, they are stretched and compressed with an intensity that scientists describe with a single chilling word: spaghettification. Saturn's iconic rings would become a spectacular, yet tragic casualty. Those billions of individual ice particles, normally held in delicate balance, would stretch into impossibly elongated spirals, forming patterns never before witnessed, before finally scattering violently across the solar system, lost forever. Jupiter, our solar system's grand protector, would be next to be violently pulled from its stable orbit. This giant planet has shielded Earth from countless asteroid impacts throughout history. Without Jupiter's immense gravitational shield, our world would be left vulnerable to an onslaught of asteroid bombardment, even if we somehow managed to survive the black hole itself. But the true terror lies in this. The black hole wouldn't even need to make a direct impact on anything. Its gravity alone, its sheer presence, would be enough to destabilize every single orbit in our solar system. Mars might be flung erratically towards Earth, or violently ejected from the solar system entirely. The asteroid belt, a region of millions of rocks between Mars and Jupiter, would scatter like a cosmic shotgun blast, sending countless hazardous projectiles hurtling towards the inner planets, including our own. Earth's ultimate fate would hinge on the black hole's precise trajectory. In the best-case scenario, it might pass through the outer solar system, and we would only lose our outer planetary neighbors. Earth itself might survive, but with a radically different orbit. We could be flung much closer to the Sun, transforming our world into a scorching inferno akin to Venus, or conversely, propelled farther away, freezing solid into an uninhabitable ice ball. However, a more probable and equally terrifying scenario is that Earth's orbit would become extremely elliptical. For part of our year, we would swing so perilously close to the Sun that our oceans would boil away into vapor, transforming continents into parched deserts. Then, just months later, we would be hurled far out beyond the orbit of Mars, where everything would freeze solid, temperatures plummeting to hundreds of degrees below zero. These violent temperature swings, from over 200 degrees Fahrenheit to minus 200 degrees, would occur every few months. Life as we know it, in any recognizable form, would be annihilated within a single orbital cycle. Adding to this catastrophic upheaval, our moon would be violently stripped away from Earth. Depending on the precise angles of the black hole's approach, it would either spiral inexorably into the black hole's maw or be dramatically ejected from the solar system entirely, becoming another lost wanderer in the galactic void. Without the moon's stabilizing influence, Earth's axial tilt would begin to wobble chaotically, causing extreme and unpredictable climate changes, even if we miraculously survive the initial orbital disruption. We stand utterly defenseless against such a cosmic intruder. The thought of an invisible predator, capable of such devastation, reminds us of the profound power and indifference of the universe.